I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to integrate tools on your business. So if you want to integrate tools on Stripe, and how you can integrate tools on your business on Stripe, this is what you have to do. Click on this plus here, and then here you have a lot of options here. And from here you have browse and install apps. Click on browse and install apps. From here you have other options, and now we are in Stripe App Marketplace. Here we have a lot of apps for commerce, climate, billing, accounting, productivity. Look, click here on productivity. Now we have productivity related apps, and now billing apps we have here, accounting we have here, commerce, data and analytics we have here, better reports and other apps. So you can also request the app. Now if you're looking for app, you can search here. Maybe you just found there's any really interesting app that you can use on Stripe, so you can search here for that app. And that's pretty much how you can integrate tools on your business. Now obviously if you click on an app, let's say you want to add this one, you just have to click on install app. Make sure you activate your Stripe account to install the app, and just click on install app, and that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for the next Stripe tutorial, let me know in the comments section if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching and take care.